You've uploaded the images from the publisher, but how do you know that everyone is here? Well, let's go to review. Before we begin, do you have a list of non-classroom staff plus classroom teachers? This is especially important for our elementary schools. We will start with Categorize Staff. Our professional photographer identified staff members with STA. I click Continue to Classification. I have a staff list right in front of me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this paper and identify who are my classroom teachers and who are not in the classroom. I can double click on their name or click once and click on that arrow. After sorting teacher with staff member, I continue to assign grade levels if I'm elementary. If I'm middle school, I move on to the next step. Let's practice elementary. If you teach elementary, this is your next screen. I happen to know that Mr. Anderson teaches pre-K, and so does Miss Bailey. I'm going to go through each of these and identify their grade levels. Do you see Torres, Williams, and Wilson? They're my special education teachers who have combo classes. What am I going to do? I know. I will choose one grade level and use another review option. Let's finish and save. So it says that there are some combo classes or just plain conflicts. For example, I made a mistake with Miss Buick. Miss Buick is a TK teacher. All right, I'm going to scroll down. Torres is in 3 different sections. Torres is a combo teacher, so that's what we're going to do here. And so's Williams and Miller. All right, if I was wrong, what I could do is I could say ignore. Let's continue down. We have found all the combo teachers, apply fixes, and continue. We will cover one more review section in this video. Let's check for duplicates. It's not always a duplicate. Sometimes you have 2 people with the same name. In this case, we have a teacher named Jennifer Flores and we have a student named Jennifer Flores. So I am going to select not duplicate and next. Now these are 2 different pictures of Levi. And if I'm honest, I think the one that's on the right is the better choice, the retake. So I'm going to keep selected and move on to the next one.